The Samsung Galaxy S25 series hasn't even been out for a week yet, but there are already rumors about what will come next. People are already really excited about the Galaxy S26 series, and I promise you that what's next will blow your mind. This phone, which is set to come out in early 2026, could change everything we know about mobile technology, beginning with the way it looks. Think about a Galaxy S26 Ultra with very thin edges. They aren't even there. The S25 Ultra's 1.52mm bezels were already impressively thin, but concept images show something that might be even thinner. If this really does happen, Samsung will totally change what a flagship phone should look like. It would have a screen that is almost 7 inches without being too big. There are rumors that Samsung is working on an innovative new front camera called an on-display camera. Yes, there will be no more punch hole pieces. Instead, there will be a single smooth display. They think Samsung might wait to do this because under-screen cameras are still not perfect, especially when it comes to taking good selfies. Will Samsung take the risk, or will they play it safe and wait for technology to catch up? With the Exynos 2600 for the S26 lineup, Samsung is making a big comeback. It is based on cutting-edge technology and promises a 12% speed boost, 25% better power efficiency, and a smaller footprint. If the camera gets better, things will get really crazy. There are rumors that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could have an amazing 324-megapixel camera. That's more than twice as many megapixels as the S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel sensor. The telephoto lens should also have a 200-megapixel sensor, so your zoom shots will have lots of information. It's time to talk about battery life. There are rumors that the S26 Ultra will have a huge 5,500 mAh battery, which is a big jump from the current standard of 5,000 mAh. Add Samsung's new Exynos chip to that. You got a phone that says it will last longer and charge faster than ever. The S26 Ultra has a sleek aluminum body and a screen that can get as bright as 3,000 nits, which makes it great for use outside. Imagine being able to use your phone outside in the sun without having to squint. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.